In this video, I'm showing how to access a student's portal. The first thing is to come to the school website, type elioncollege.com on your browser. Then you click on menu on the right top of your browser there, of the website there. Then come down to returning students portal. Click on it. Then you enter your username and or email address and password. Mine has been captured by my system already, so to enter it, I click on login. Yeah, now I'm logged in. So this is typical students portal. This is summary of the student details. Here is enrollment number that's as found on register, then admission number, what session are we, what class, what then you see the other details as entered during registration are being summarized there. Then there are, if you look very well, you will see that there are two menus here. On top here you have a menu. This is the general website menu. But under it here you have another menu. This menu is strictly meant for logged in students. So you can see here the fee invoice can be viewed, payment history. If there is a study material, you can view it here. If there is homework during holiday, for instance, the child can take the homework from here. Notice board, you can click on it to view any notice, latest notice that is either for the class specifically or for the school as a whole. Then any upcoming event, say sports, cultural day, all those events, as the school uploads such details, a student can view them here. Then timetable, when timetable is published. If timetable is published online, you can view it here too. Then if you want to attend the live class, so you see all the details in this logged in student menu. Then if you got a book from the school library, it is captured here. It can be captured here. Exam timetable can also be viewed here. Yes, another, you can see this. Then you see right here, once exam results are being published, you can click on exam results to see any results. Now no exam result found because there's no result for exam yet. So that's that for the student. Quickly, I'd like to show that of the parent. So first of all, let me log out. I click on log out. So again, I click on the general website menu and come to parents portal. So I need to enter this detail. Let me pause and enter the details. Haven't entered the details, I click on login. Yeah, this is how a parent dashboard looks like. You can see it looks far simpler than what you have earlier. You just have summary about the student here and what are the information that are important to parents. If the child's ID card, fee, invoice, payment history, notice board, class timetable, results, attendance report. So these are the items that a parent can view from his or her dashboard. So they are clickable. For instance, once attendance is entered, you can click on attendance report, and then it would bring details about the child's attendance. So like that. Thank you very much for your time.